And now for a demo of Qual's Initiate Quant. All right, now for the demo, I've got two compounds, one at 5 ppb and one at 500 ppt of garlic with protectants. And you can see I've set up the workflow. So I can process these samples by simply reprocessing, and you can see here's the target screening choice, and that will reprocess. If I look over here, you can see 27 qualified transitions are picked up, and these are the compounds listing, and I can, with the overlay that I've got here, I can go through and look at those transitions. Same operation on the next, reprocess, and it handles that same game of picking up the names from the acquisition method and populating them, and now I can look into the details. A quick look at the interactive features of Qual. Here I'm going to look at one of these compounds, parathione, and I'm sitting here at the 5 ppb sample, and I'll compare that to the 500 ppt sample. So I see it here, and I can click back and forth. I can actually overlay them. But let me stick with the list mode, and I'll add in the other ones so I can see them tiled together. And here's where I can look at the grouping. So I can move between my compounds, and I can move to the next chloropyrophos. I can do the same kind of comparison. There it is. And does it still show up? And the answer is yes, it still shows up. And I can go back and forth to do my verification of my MRM transitions before moving to Quant. All right, now for Initiate Quant. I will pick this sample and start up Initiate Quant. I will include all of the compounds, and I will also clear, and I'll start a new method. I could append to that method. So now I'm going to launch Quant, and that's going to bring over the compounds. So if I look here, I can see the list of the compounds that came from Qual that I have already reviewed. There's parathione. And I'm going to go over and apply this method. But before I do, I'm going to use a tool here and just create a dummy calibration setup. Okay, now I've got some kind of calibration curve set up, and I will exit and now analyze. And you'll see here I am at batch at a glance, and all the compounds are there that I can look at, parathione, so forth and so on. And there is the demo of Initiate Quant using Qual's interactive tools, producing a quantitation method. Thanks for your attention.